Hey everyone, today we're reviewing OnePay Debit Card and Banking Platform in 2025, a digital first financial service that promises a fee-free banking, rewards, and modern money tools. But is it worth using? Let's break it down. OnePay is a mobile focused banking solution offering a debit card with no monthly fees and overdraft penalties, a high yield savings around 3.75%, early paycheck access, rewards, and budgeting tools, all through a sleek app backed by a partner bank. But here's what users and reviews like about it. There's no monthly overdraft fees and interest cost. There's a high APY savings and round-up feature to grow your money automatically. Plus, early direct deposit. Get paid up to 2 days early, cashback rewards, and point based incentives. Intuitive mobile app with budgeting and credit tracking tools. However, there are big cautions from real users online. Some customers report delayed transfers or missing funds, with frustrating dispute processes, customer service complaints, slow or unhelpful support responsive, reports of accounts freezes, access problems, and balance glitches, complaints about confusing incentives and promotions that weren't honored. Industry review trackers even note that OnePay has an F rating from the BBB and mixed trust pilot feedback. So, is this worth it in 2025? Yes, it can be a good choice for fee-free banking and savings perks, especially if you're mobile first and want rewards. But you need to be cautious. There are real reports of fund access issues and poor customer support that might make it risky as your primary financial account. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.